In this video, I'm going to show you how to tick a box in PDF XChange Editor. So as you can see here, I have a box here. However, if I click on it, as you can see, nothing happens and I can't actually tick it. Now, if that happens to you, you can go to the Form tab up top. This is the first way. You can click on checkbox, and then here you can basically just draw in the checkbox like this, and then you can go back to Hand Tool, and if you now click on it, as you can see, a check mark will appear. That's the first way. However, if you don't like this, if you don't actually want to add a form field in there, there's also a different option, and it is to actually add a stamp. So you could go to the Home tab, and then here under Stamps, as you can see, I have some check marks. Now, by default, you will not have these, but I have a tutorial on my channel on how to actually get these. Look it up, and then this will allow you to basically put a check mark pretty much anywhere, and of course, decide what size you want it to be, and you can move it around, resize it, make it big, make it small, whatever you want over here. So that's pretty much how to do it. Again, watch the full tutorial on how to get these stamps if you want to on my channel. I do have it, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.